In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the billing and setting that up and making sure that we are able to keep our Maestro active by having a current card on file. Within each organization, there's only one person that is labeled as the owner of that organization, and they are able to make all of the billing changes. Now, that owner can change, and we'll show you how to do that, but only one person within the organization is going to have access to change the billing. To do that, we come up to our little person icon here, and most of the time we'll just have the account, but if we are the owner, we'll also have the billing. And so if we click on that, it'll take us to our conductor, and we can come down and you'll see right away we've got this billing section here. If we've needed to get some old invoices, those should be here as well, and it'll have our history. And at any time we can come in and edit our billing information. So if we need to change who the owner is, we can update that here. And we can see what cards we have on file. Now let's say we've got a card that's expired and we need to go in and create a new one, or we've got some other, we had some identity fraud and we needed to add a new card, or maybe we just switch banks and have a new card. We can come in, put in all of the card information and all of the billing information, and we can make that our default card. We can go ahead and save that, and everything would be up and running, and we'd be able to keep our Maestro active. One of the new things that we actually have is the ability to connect our PayPal too. This was something that's been requested several times, and so you can actually make that the default method and connect your PayPal, and it will take you right to PayPal's interface, and we can get logged in and make that our default method of payment, and everything would be good to go. So we'll just go ahead, save that, and we'll be off and running. Again, if you've got any questions about billing, you need any assistance, or you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us, especially when it comes to billing. Very often, whether it's needing to update a card or whether the owner needs to change and the old owner isn't around, we can certainly get you squared away with that. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office. We're always happy to help.